Stop scrolling. I'm about to tell you something most AI videos won't. AI can write a symphony, but it will never feel the chills. It can pass the bar exam, but it can't fight for a client with heart. And yet, the people who ignore AI right now, they're the ones who will get left behind. Not because AI replaces them, because someone who uses AI will. Let's get one thing straight from the start. AI will not replace you. It cannot feel your excitement. It cannot cry at a wedding. It cannot look at a child's drawing. But here's what most people get wrong. AI doesn't need to replace us to change everything. It just needs to work with us. Like fire. Fire didn't replace humans. It cooked our food, warmed our homes, and launched our civilization. AI is the fire of the century. It won't take your seat. But if you ignore it, you'll be left standing. So in this video, we're answering one simple, powerful question. AI does one thing better than any human ever could. It finds patterns in chaos. While you sleep, AI is reading millions of x-rays, spotting cancers that doctors might miss. While you scroll, AI is predicting traffic jams, rerouting thousands of cars to save hours. While you think, AI is translating languages in real time, letting a farmer in Kenya talk to an engineer in Japan. That's what AI does. It doesn't feel, it doesn't dream, but it processes, predicts, and performs at a scale no human can match. Let's be honest. AI beats us in three big areas. Speed. What takes you 10 hours? AI does in half a second. Scale. You read one book a week. AI reads the entire Library of Congress in an afternoon. Consistency, you get tired. AI never yawns. It does the same boring task perfectly millions of times. But here's the one thing AI will never do better. Understand meaning. AI knows what words are in a love letter, but it will never know the ache in your chest when you write it. That's yours. Always. You don't need to be a scientist to see AI at work. Open your phone. Netflix suggests your next binge. AI. Gmail blocks 99.9% of spam. AI. Google Maps finds the fastest route. AI. Most of the time, you don't see AI. You just see things working better. That's what AI does best. It disappears into the background and makes your life smoother without asking for credit. Helping farmers know when to plant. Answering your customer service chat at 2 a.m. Writing the first draft of your email. It's everywhere, quietly. But let's not overhype it. AI cannot feel genuine empathy. It cannot understand sarcasm without being told. It cannot make a moral judgment. If you ask AI, should I lie to make more money? It will give you pros and cons. It won't say, that would hurt someone. AI is a mirror. It reflects our data, including our biases, mistakes, and blind spots. That's why we say AI is powerful, but we must be responsible. It doesn't decide what's right versus what's efficient. That's your job. Here's the beautiful twist. By giving boring, repetitive, soul-crushing tasks to AI, we get to be more human. Doctors spend less time typing notes, more time holding hands. Teachers let AI grade multiple choice so they can actually mentor. Creators let AI handle captions and thumbnails so they can focus on the art. AI doesn't compete with your heart. It competes with your spreadsheet. And that's a fight your heart should win every time. If this video gave you a clearer picture, hit like and subscribe. We make videos that help you stay human in a digital world. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you don't want AI to ever do? Thanks for watching. Stay curious. Stay you. See you in the next one.